A long time ago in Egypt, there lived a powerful king called Pharaoh. He was very proud and cruel. He made the children of Israel, Bani Israel, his slaves and forced them to do hard work. Pharaoh even claimed,
"I am your Lord."
but Allah had sent Prophet Musa as to guide him and free the people. Prophet Musa showed Pharaoh many miracles by Allah's permission. His staff turned into a snake, his hand shone brightly, and water turned to blood. But Pharaoh was stubborn. He and his people saw the truth, yet their hearts were hard. At last, Allah commanded Musa to take the children of Israel and leave Egypt. They walked until they reached the Red Sea. Behind them, Pharaoh and his army were chasing. The people became afraid.
Pharaoh will catch us.
By Allah's command, Musa struck the sea with his staff. The sea split into two huge walls of water, and a safe path appeared. The children of Israel crossed safely. But when Pharaoh and his army followed, the sea closed in and drowned them all. After their escape, Allah gave Prophet Musa a special gift on Mount Sinai, the Torah. It was a holy book filled with guidance, rules, and wisdom for the children of Israel, teaching them to worship Allah alone and live with kindness and justice.